The oil change light is a warning light found in most modern cars. It comes on when the car's computer determines that it's time for an oil change. Many people ignore this light, but it's important to heed it. An oil change is one of the most important maintenance tasks you can perform on your car. Skipping an oil change can lead to engine problems down the road. Every car has different maintenance needs, and for some models, it is necessary to reset the oil change light after an oil change is performed. Luckily, this is a relatively simple process that can be done in just a few minutes. Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, Auto V Fix. We bring you exciting topics about automobiles and provide lucid explanations on car-related issues and their essential components. I share helpful and professional tips to help you maintain your vehicle. In this video, we will explain the oil change light reset process on your vehicle. Stay safe and keep your car running smoothly by following these simple steps. Oil change light reset step by step. 1. Find the reset button and switch the ignition on without starting the engine. To begin, find the reset button in your vehicle. Depending on your vehicle model, this may be located near or on the dashboard or somewhere else entirely. Once you've located the button, switch the ignition on without starting the engine. 2. Display mileage and turn off the ignition. Keeping track of the miles you drive in your vehicle is important. This helps you to stay on top of regularly scheduled maintenance and can also be useful if you ever need to file a warranty claim. Thankfully, most modern vehicles are equipped with an odometer that makes it easy to track mileage. Most odometers will display two different types of mileage: total mileage driven and trip mileage. Simply go through the various modes until the desired reading appears on the odometer. Once you have found the right mode, turn off the ignition to save your settings. Every time you start your vehicle, the odometer will default to showing the total mileage driven. This ensures that you will always know how many miles are on your car and can stay on top of its maintenance needs. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on the bell to be the first to get notified when we drop a new video. 3. Hold the reset button and turn the key. Holding the reset button on your car's ignition and turning the key back to on while watching for the oil change light to start blinking. After letting the light blink on and off for a few seconds, release the reset button and turn the ignition off once again. 4. Start the car. Start the engine and allow it to run for a few minutes. Check the oil change light. It should be off now. If the light remains on after you've started the engine, it's possible that you didn't reset the system correctly. In this case, you'll need to repeat the reset procedure. If the light still doesn't go off after 2 tries, consult your owner's manual or the car manufacturer's website for more information about the process for your specific vehicle. With these steps, you can quickly and easily perform an oil change light reset for optimal car maintenance. When do you need to reset the oil change light? The answer depends on your car and the required maintenance type. In general, most cars require you to reset the oil change light after an oil change has been performed in order to ensure that all of the old oil has been drained and replaced with fresh oil. Some cars may also require you to reset the light if there are any other types of maintenance or service, such as a tune-up or new filter. To find out if you need to reset your oil change light, consult your owner's manual or speak with a mechanic for more information specific to your vehicle. In conclusion, it's important to be proactive about your car maintenance, and that includes keeping an eye on the oil change light. By knowing when it's time for an oil change, you can avoid more costly repairs in the future. I appreciate your time to watch that interesting and educative video. I am sure you have got value. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on the bell to be the first to get notified when we drop a new video. Catch you all next time.